Welcome to a new era of agriculture, where cutting-edge technology and innovative machines are revolutionizing how we grow our food. In this video, we'll explore the most advanced agricultural machines that are elevating farming to unprecedented heights. Are you ready to witness the miracle? First, let's visit a tomato field and see how the machinery harvests the tomatoes and loads them onto trucks. Watermelon harvesting starts at dawn for freshness. Workers use manual picking or tools. The fruit is loaded onto trucks by hand or conveyor belts. In green apple orchards, farmers use advanced machines for efficient, damage-free picking. Then conveyors transport the apples with care to the back of the machine. This 3-bed onion withdrawer by ASA Lift lifts onions from 3 rows, cleans them, and neatly places them in windrows for easy collection. For leek harvesting, we have ASA Lift PO335 to dig up leeks, remove excess soil, trim the roots, and arrange them on a conveyor for efficient collection. The corn harvester cuts the stalks and then collects them in a hopper, ensuring efficient and quick harvesting. Here is how people combine human labor with machinery for eggplant packaging. The green pea viner machine picks and conveys whole plants to a threshing chamber. A high-speed beater separates peas, which are then collected at the front after passing through a separator. The SP400 CFH is a high-capacity, self-propelled 4-row toplifter equipped with an elevator for steady loading into trailers. It is especially built for carrot harvesting. The chili harvesting process spans 2 to 3 months, ensuring each chili is picked at peak ripeness. Advanced technologies and skilled laborers combine to ensure a swift and bountiful harvest of chilies. This trimmer is designed for use in vineyards. It features dual pruning arms and specialized teeth for cutting young shoots, operated hydraulically for precise adjustment and independent operation of each pair of components. After harvesting, machines are used to clean and peel a large quantity of peaches in preparation for the peach jam making process. Do you know about Brussels sprouts? They're rich in vitamins C and K and fiber, typically found in cool climates like Europe or northern North America. It's rather new to me. collaboration between two Krone Big X 1180 harvesters and Fendt 900 tractor involves the harvesters cutting and gathering maize. Here, farmers hand harvest bushels and utilize conveyor systems to transport them out of the field swiftly. The Tri-Binds T1000 efficiently transports up to 1,000 bushels of grain while harvesting. This machine harvests Brussels row by row, handling 4 rows simultaneously. Its conveyor system then transfers the sprouts to trucks running parallel for efficient collection. A tobacco harvester cuts and gathers tobacco leaves, equipped with specialized cutting mechanisms and storage compartments for optimal leaf collection and handling. In recent years, Georgia peaches are consistently rated the best tasting in the US, while other states produce more annually. A bite of a Georgia peach reveals superior quality and flavor. Have you tried Georgia peaches? A fertilizer wrapping machine allows prolonged storage and slow release when applied. The wrapped fertilizers remain effective for an extended period than normal. As you can see, this garlic digger efficiently pulls garlic bulbs from the soil, reducing manual labor, and it even handles the task of packing garlic into bags. While some peppers are distributed fresh, others are processed through cutting and canning, providing convenient and versatile products for consumers. Machine-assisted spraying enhances efficiency and accuracy in tulip fields, ensuring thorough pest and disease control for optimal bloom health. Once again, it's the combination of harvesting machines with conveyors and trucks. A perfect setup for harvesting large quantities, isn't it? Cranberries are harvested underwater. Machinery floods cranberry fields, and then cranberries are dislodged from the vines. They float to the surface where they are corralled and then collected. The Pixel BH100 green bean harvester operates by gently pulling green bean plants into the machine, where they are sorted and cleaned. Then the harvester separates beans from debris before depositing them into bins. Tulip bulbs are harvested to propagate new plants for future flower production or for sale in the bulb market, supporting both gardening enthusiasts and commercial florists. Did you know? Tulip plants are not only harvested for their flowers, but also for their bulbs like this, which are widely sold to gardeners. The DR6130SX rice harvester cuts and gathers rice crops, equipped with advanced threshing mechanisms for high productivity, suitable for large-scale rice farming operations. The John Deere grind potato harvester lifts and separates potatoes from the soil, employing advanced cleaning and sorting systems. Olives are sorted by ripeness, size, color, and quality. Unripe olives are separated and stored, while ripe ones are processed immediately. The Crawler Tool Carrier UT110, equipped with a grape harvester, is tailored for vineyards on steep slopes. It navigates terrain with precision, ensuring harvesting and minimal impact on soil and vines. This robust bale grab, designed to work with a heavy-duty shovel weighing 14 tons, securely holds up to 6 120-centimeter wide bales. Its hydraulic system simplifies operation. After harvesting, white beets are typically washed to remove dirt and then undergo trimming to remove roots and outer layers. This preparation ensures they are clean and ready for further processing. The blueberry harvesting process will happen as you can see. Involves using 3 shakers that gently vibrate bushes, causing ripe berries to fall onto catching frames. This sugar beet harvester uproots sugar beets from the field, gently cleaning them before loading into storage containers or trucks for transport to processing facilities. Potato planting will be assisted with this machine. It inserts seed potatoes into the soil at precise intervals and depths, ensuring optimal spacing and coverage for healthy growth and efficient harvesting. Harvesting row crops has become easier with harvesters. This soybean harvester is an example. The hoe tractor is designed for soil cultivation and weed management in farming. It uses various attachments like hoes and cultivators to break up soil, remove weeds, and prepare seed beds. Imagine a machine that effortlessly gathers freshly cut grass and neatly bundles it into compact bales. This hay baler not only simplifies storage and transportation, but also ensures easy feeding for livestock. See this robot in the strawberry farm. It assists with tasks ranging from checking the ripeness of the strawberries to harvesting them. Transporting harvested oranges from such steep terrain definitely requires vehicles like these. After harvesting, cucumbers are sorted by size and quality. Workers then pack them, cover with plastic, and label accordingly. This TriStar sprayer boasts capacities of 3,000 and 2,000 liters, efficiently applying pesticides or fertilizers to 3 rows of crops simultaneously. Now we meet a tree spade. It operates by surrounding the tree's root system, digging deep and lifting it from the ground intact, facilitating transplanting or removal. The robotic arm for grape harvesting delicately maneuvers through vineyards, skillfully picking ripe grapes while minimizing damage to the vines. Do you know what is it? It's a golden berry, also known as Cape gooseberry. It's a small, round fruit encased in a papery husk. It is often used in jams, desserts, and salads. This machine is used to grind dry grass for goat feed, efficiently processing roughage into digestible form. This is also a potato planter, suitable for small family farms, designed for smaller scale operations. This corn harvester not only gathers corn, but also husks it immediately into attached containers. This remote-controlled automatic lawnmower is perfect for farmers or small gardeners alike. To make palm oil, the process involves cutting ripe palm fruit bunches, collecting the fruit, and transporting it to processing facilities where the oil is extracted. The Braille-Meyer engine mowers feature a 29 horsepower engine, load limit control. The tractor can be equipped with attachments like a plow, cultivator, or harrow, powered by its hydraulic system for adjustable depth and angle. Harvesting maize in muddy conditions involves using specialized machinery. These machines prevent crop loss and ensure the maize is collected and processed despite challenging conditions. The Belarus 820 plow tractor's heavy-duty frame and adjustable plow depth make it ideal for preparing vast fields efficiently, enhancing soil health and crop yields. This tow-behind harvester is truly the savior in apple plantations. Not just apples. This machine can be adjusted for many other types of crops. These gorgeously ripe pomegranates are loaded and carried into boxes without damage, thanks to this smooth rotating system. Amid times of labor shortages, luckily there are a lot of innovative machinery that can mechanize a lot of things, including cabbage harvesting. This New Holland mower helps you make your grassland as smooth as a cleanly shaven beard. What you're seeing is a robot that can largely replace humans in harvesting beautiful gerberas by accurately identify, approach, and cut those that are in full bloom. Too tired to put your hands out for those kiwis? This autonomous robotic kiwi fruit harvesting and pollination developed in New Zealand is the perfect low-cost solution. Machinery plays a pivotal role in the harvesting of fruits that require detailed and delicate treatment like raspberries. Another unmanned vehicle that successfully spot ripe grapes and gently cut them for harvesting. This Lockwood harvester model removes both the sweet potatoes from the ground and the need for hand labor. Simply a technological wonder. This duo of shake and catch harvesting machines were designed to take the back-breaking burden of hand-picking of humans. It may look similar to a toilet scrubber, but this machine is used to get all the olives to fall from the trees. We're witnessing one of the top-tier combination of machines ever created, making tomato harvest on a massive field feasible in only a few days. It's wheat harvest season, and these 35-foot wide honeybee draper heads are at work again. Watching them in action is always a thrill to me. Progress in technological research has resulted in cutting-edge agricultural machines like this, an automatic pepper harvesting robot. An ingenious machine that collects all the muzzles on the posts and carries them into boxes, reducing farmers' risk of hurting themselves in the process. There may not be an automatic harvesting machine on this orchard, but a rotating system to collect and carry these juicy apples into the boxes. This ASA lift machine works on withdrawing onions in good soil conditions with 300% more efficiency than manually. The robot Berry has an advanced AI and sensory technology that gives it an unmatched precision in strawberry picking. It can determine the exact degree of ripeness in each strawberry. Agroma's cherry picker can replace the work of up to 500 workers per day, automatically collecting the fruits without damage, cleaning and loading them into crates. Technically a custom-built model, this one-of-a-kind Vogel harvester is being used to collect squash on a Michigan's farm. Machines by Fendt and Amazon are combined into the ideal plant protection measure, spreading fungicides with a working width of 36 meters. The Class Lexion 7700 TerraTrack takes on harvesting seeds on the whole sunflower field, like sweeping the dirt off the dinner table. This machine separates spring onions into satisfying fine lines, making it more convenient for future harvesting. Stunningly red bell peppers are swiftly picked up and carried into the crates, all leaves removed. This cutting-edge machine can penetrate dense foliage, attacking from two directions at up to 150 kilometers, keeping your plants moister than your skin. Marvel's fruit-picking flying autonomous robots will guarantee to revolutionize the fruit harvesting landscape in the future. They are agile, can operate 24/7, and are cost-efficient. Silage cutting, mixing, and feeding to cattle is no longer an arduous task with this RMH self-propelled total mixed ration mixer, which is both fuel and high mixing efficient. A modern self-propelled sugar beet harvester developed by Homer, the TerraDOS 5, has a robust engine and a working width of up to 12 rows, greatly enhancing productivity. John Deere's X9 1100 is equipped with upgraded parts that result in an incredibly smooth flow of working on the cornfield. Thanks to mechanical development, all that farmers need to do is drive this vehicle and ripe oranges are effortlessly picked up from the trees. Out in the field to witness a 340 horsepower John Deere tractor working on cultivating corn with an impressive 24-row 60 feet wide working capability. The same machinery used in orange picking previously can be utilized in green plum orchards just as effectively. I can't imagine the thrill of hand-picking olives before technological advancements like this high-density olive harvester were created. Such a blessing to farmers. The 2018 Interlinked Vineyard 3-row 900mm batwing sprayer is specially designed to move past vineyards like a bat and keep them hydrated. Ever wonder how sweet corns are collected? With this oxbow and its 6-row 30-inch corn head. Are your grape shoots leaning out of place? This tying machine allows the lifting of the falling shoots toward the center of the row in vineyards, using a string previously tied to the head post. The ASA Lift's trailed 1-row cabbage harvester turns picking cabbage from a laborious to a much more enjoyable task. This New Holland tractor can pick up the bale, spin, and wrap it in the air, and put it down again very effortlessly. Look how smooth and satisfying this plower is doing its job. Truly a mechanical masterpiece in farming. This marvelous potato harvester by Warzella & Sons Incorporated is working tirelessly so that farmers don't exhaust themselves toiling on this massive farm. This David's fertilizer spreader offers highly effective inter-row localized distribution of pelleted fertilizer for vineyards. SM5 988 row crop cultivator is specifically engineered to work efficiently between rows of crops, ensuring weed control and soil aeration without damaging the plants. HEMEI provides one-stop solutions for your broiler farming projects, like this automatic egg collecting system. The newest Oxbow merger is designed to take merging to the next level, with reliable components to deliver long field life. Hats off to these rice harvesting machines that have helped revolutionize rice farming all over the world. This gigantic air seeder is pulling a magnificent performance on the field, with an unbelievable working width of 214 feet. This one-of-a-kind tool is being used for faster flower pollination. All these plant buds are being transplanted by a system so well designed that it moves almost seamlessly. A two-row top-lifting harvester, this ASA lift features a 6-tons bunker system for easy and long continuity harvesting. This mini Kubota harvester works perfectly in small paddy fields, significantly reducing the need for toiling. I guess not just us, but the bunnies also love to see this carrot top-lifting harvester at work. This robot has an improved tomato detection that ensures high grip precision when it is working. A combo of mechanical wonders that collect and convey hundreds of parsnips flawlessly. Four rows of lettuce are being cut and carried in such a neat and clean manner, thanks to this machine. Another machine that takes harvesting alfalfa to make feed for dairy cows to another level. Watching this in action is simply a blessing to the eye. Farmers owe it big time to developers of machines that enable quick and easy spreading of mulch film layer on the farm. This innovative machine significantly reduces harvest time and increases production efficiency in broccoli harvest season. Gone are the days of manual landscaping. With this machine, you can create a flawlessly straight row of plants using much less labor than before. Manure stinks, but it's a great source of fertilizers. This system works so as both the cow sheds are clean and plant nutrition is obtained. I can't count how many pickle jars will be made from this continuously flow of cucumbers that this tractor picks up. You've just witnessed a glimpse of how technology has radically transformed farming. Share your thoughts in the comments if you found it as fascinating as we did. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest agricultural innovations.